What's up you guys, welcome to London. We are gonna do a POV street and strangers video. I was just walking down the street, I've never been here before. I just dropped my mum off at the Victoria coach station and this street is dope, I love it so much. There are some really cool stores here and then we'll head like a little bit more into the center and see what we can get. So I'm gonna set up the POV here and we'll get some shots. Look at that. I mean, but look at that store guys, it looks so cool. So I'm gonna set up the POV right here and let's get our first shots. First shot. I mean, why does London just look so damn sexy? It just looks so cinematic, everything. The store here is so cool. And the sun is just like right there. Maybe these two walking. This one is so cool as well, you guys, it's so cozy. It's like super cozy here. Okay, anyway, it's Christmas, the lights are out. It's looking so good. Look at this street though, you guys, it's super nice. Even that way. Hey, excuse me. Do you mind if I get a photo of you?
What?
So I have a YouTube channel and I take photos of people on the street.
Yes,
when I like,
okay.
yeah? Perfect, and I'll send you the photos too.
Okay, that's fine.
Nice, can we get one just here in the middle of the street? Awesome, just stay there. Aha, nice.
Okay.
And I'll just get one with you when this car goes past, just here in the middle of the road.
Okay.
Perfect. Yes, nice. Walking to me a little bit. Yep. Okay, awesome. Check them out.
You choose the best one and send me.
I will check these out.
Yeah.
Okay,
Cheers.
have a good day. Brad. First one, man, I'm in love with these decorations. That's one thing I love about England, how all out they go here. And that first guy. And we don't have a lot of time here in London because the sun is setting at like, well, that's not the right time anyway, but the sun sets here now at about 4 o'clock. So we're very limited, Oh, the light here is crazy. I'm in love with these streets. Excuse me guys, can I just get a portrait of you guys together? It's for my YouTube channel.
What for?
Wait, you guys speak French?
Yeah.
Let me try. Je prends des photos des étrangers.
Ah d'accord, ok. Ça
You
te
guys want a
dérange ou
portrait
pas?
together? Yeah?
It's fine? Okay,
Together?
sure.
Perfect, just stand over here. Just with the sun. It looks cool.
Ah.
A little closer guys. Yep. Can you put this hand up here like on a shoulder like this?
So like this?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
And maybe this hand here on your hip. Looking straight over here. Yeah. Perfect, perfect. One more closer. And one more tiny bit closer. Check them out.
Okay.
Nice.
That's fine,
Do
yeah.
you guys want me to send these to you? I'm in love with this street. It's a set. Or even better like this. Because I love this car. And look at the light here. Excuse me, guys. Would I be able to get a picture of one of you guys over just here in the street? I'm loving the, or maybe both of you guys together if you want.
No,
But you're just there. Yeah. Perfect. Just in here, I love this street here. Yes, Chris. Where are you guys from?
I'm Spanish.
Ah, really? Yo vivo en Barcelona. Sí. You guys just over here? And where in Spain are you from?
Santander, north coast of Spain.
Ah, nice. Yeah, I've been there in Cantabria.
In San Sebastian.
No, in Cantabria.
Ah, great.
And do you know Sierra de Ibio? See, yeah, I've like worked out there before shooting. Yeah, beautiful place. Okay, guys, stand a little bit closer together. Stay there, one portrait each. One here, stay there, awesome.
Check.
Yes, guys, have a look.
Wow.
Okay, here we go, guys. We're heading into my favorite set with the car lights. We love that. Traffic lights, we love that. And that's the Ritz over there. And if you guys can see up here, the Christmas lights are on. Yeah, I'm so excited. Tonight, I'm gonna be shooting a video straight after this one, a night video here as well. So let's see if we can get some cool portraits here and nighttime. We get this guy right in the middle. Hey, excuse me. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel and I take photos of people in the street when I feel like they have a cool vibe and a cool look. Could I get a picture of you?
I know.
And I can send it to you as well if you like.
I know, I look ugly. Don't
No
say so.
way, you look so cool. If you want, I can either, I take photos like this. Look. If you want, I can take it. We're here with the lights. If you like it, then you can keep it. If you don't like it, then I won't.
Well, I mean,
You look cool, seriously.
okay, you say so.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm Moroccan.
Oh, okay, awesome. But you live here? Oh, no.
Yeah, I live.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, because you have to make the most of the lights.
I don't know how to do
I'll show you. I'll show you. Yeah. Yeah. Can you put one leg like this in front? And can you just put one hand on your hip like this? Yeah. Perfect. Stay like that. That looks dope. And just move your head just like that to the side.
Sorry.
I want to get, yeah, love it. See that? Yes, that looks amazing. I really want a red bus to come past. I feel like that would be so classic.
Make it London vibes 100%.
Yes, just stand here so I can get the brakes. Yes, I see.
Honestly,
Huh?
it feels so awkward. Oh, I like
You like
it.
them?
I literally
really
have
love
a camera
these.
that I cannot use. I tried to sell it because I literally.
What? Oh, wait, the bus is coming.
Okay.
We have to get one with the bus.
Okay.
Okay, here's our shot. Okay, here we go. Perfect. And one more just this way. Oh, yes, awesome. Okay, we killed it.
Oh my gosh.
Straight out look. I love that.
It's so London vibes.
And this too. Yes, real London vibes.
Oh my gosh. That's so,
But that's good that you in the end you weren't nervous.
yeah, I mean, I was like, let's just try it. I've seen a lot of people doing this kind of thing, but like, they're kind of hot, they kind of stylish and everything. I'm
But
like,
you look the same.
oh, thank you. That's really, that's so nice of you.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect.
So
No
much.
problem.
That's so nice. to
Have a
meet
good
you.
day, and
Yes,
I'll send the pictures when they're ready. Awesome. See you later. Bye. Make sure you smash the subscribe because I'm going to be doing a London night video right now. Well, I'm going home to charge this baby and then I'm going to do a night video. So that was so exciting. Oh my God, I love today. Let me turn this around to, I love you guys. Have a good day. And well, whatever time of day it is. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Damn London. Love you.